Soft skills are the invisible engine that drives the green transition. While technology helps us reduce emissions, it is people, their collaboration, creativity, and adaptability that make sustainable change possible. Soft skills refer to the personal, social, and emotional competencies that allow professionals to communicate effectively, manage change, and make responsible decisions. They are not extra abilities, but core competencies for carbon neutrality, shaping how we think, act, and cooperate. The European Green Deal, the Green Comp Framework, and the Blueprint sectoral strategies all highlight that achieving sustainability requires not only new technologies but also new mindsets. Professionals in construction, manufacturing, and electromechanics need to develop critical thinking, empathy, teamwork, and lifelong learning skills to respond to emerging environmental challenges. Soft skills connect human behavior to environmental impact. Every small decision, how we communicate, collaborate, or solve problems, can support or hinder sustainability. That is why developing soft skills is essential for every green professional. It means learning how to adapt, how to engage others, and how to turn values into action. Soft skills are the human dimension of the green transition. Achieving carbon neutrality is not only a technological revolution, it is also a behavioral transformation. Several key soft skills empower individuals and organizations to act sustainably and lead change. Systems thinking helps us see the connections between economy, society, and the environment. It allows professionals to understand how one decision affects many others across the value chain. As Donella Meadows said, "We cannot control systems, but we can learn to dance with them." This skill encourages holistic vision and long-term thinking. Sustainability literacy gives us the knowledge and ethical awareness to act responsibly. It combines understanding of environmental data, EU policies, and social values, helping workers link their daily actions to climate goals. Critical thinking and problem-solving enable us to evaluate information, identify greenwashing, and find creative, evidence-based solutions. It's not just about knowing what to do, but why and how to do it in the most responsible way. Adaptability and lifelong learning are key for continuous improvement. In a fast-changing world, professionals must be ready to unlearn old habits and embrace new tools, from digital platforms to circular economy principles. Communication and teamwork are the bridge between ideas and impact. Whether it's convincing clients, collaborating with colleagues, or leading a sustainability project, clear and inclusive communication builds trust and commitment. Digital literacy supports innovation for sustainability. Understanding data systems, energy management tools, and AI-driven platforms allows professionals to make informed, low-carbon decisions. At the same time, it requires awareness of the ethical and environmental footprint of digital technologies. Finally, emotional intelligence and ethical leadership sustain motivation and well-being. Empathy, integrity, and resilience help individuals deal with uncertainty and inspire others to act. These skills nurture a work culture based on respect, inclusion, and shared responsibility. Soft skills are not just personal qualities, they are tools for collective transformation. Developing soft skills requires more than attending a course. It means creating environments where people can learn by doing, reflecting, and collaborating. Organizations can start by integrating these skills into everyday work routines. Short check-ins, reflective meetings, or sustainability briefings help employees connect technical actions with environmental awareness. Peer learning and mentoring are powerful ways to exchange experience. When workers collaborate, share feedback, or co-design solutions, they build trust and develop communication, empathy, and adaptability. Learning from colleagues, both experienced mentors and younger digital natives, creates a culture of mutual growth. Feedback and reflection are equally important. Through tools like journals, self-assessment, or 360 degrees reviews, professionals can identify their strengths, recognize areas for improvement, and take ownership of their learning. Every reflection helps transform knowledge into competence. Leaders and trainers play a crucial role. A leader who listens, values team contributions, and promotes psychological safety helps people grow and engage. Transformational leadership inspires others to connect personal purpose with sustainability goals. Training programs should include experiential learning, teamwork simulations, and ethical case discussions to foster real behavioral change. Institutions can also use digital badges or micro-credentials to recognize and reward progress in soft skills development. Finally, inclusion and gender equality must be at the heart of green training. Diversity enhances creativity, innovation, and problem-solving, key ingredients for sustainable industries. By cultivating empathy, adaptability, and collaboration, we empower every worker to become an agent of change. Because a sustainable future is not only built by machines or policies, it is built by people who care, learn, and lead together. Soft skills turn awareness into action and ambition into impact. This was Module 2, focused on soft skills and sustainable behaviors. The next Module 3 is already available, and you can also check Module 1 if you haven't seen it yet. Find more information at www.carbonoff4.com.